Reliable IT support is critical for success. At Cranston IT Services, we understand how important keeping your systems running smoothly is. From managing day-to-day operations to ensuring data security, businesses in Pittsburgh depend on efficient, uninterrupted IT services. That's where we come in. We provide managed IT services tailored to your specific needs. Whether you need network monitoring, cybersecurity, or help desk support, our team is here to help. Our team of experts has the tools and knowledge to prevent issues before they arise, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum productivity for your business. We understand that every business is different, and that's why we work closely with you to create a customized IT solution that works best for you. With our proactive support, you can focus on what really matters, growing your business, while we handle your IT infrastructure. Concerned about security? Our cybersecurity services protect your business from data breaches, ransomware, and other threats, so your sensitive information stays safe. At Cranston IT Services, we're committed to helping local businesses thrive with the power of reliable, cutting-edge technology. Call us today at 888-813-5558 or visit our website at cranstonit.com to learn how we can support your business. Let us take care of your IT so you can take care of your business.